Okay, guys, what I'm going to do is help you with the homework at this point in time. So what you're going to need is you're going to need your calculator. So let's go through number one, okay? Number one together. Number one. Okay, number one, it's on the back, correct. On the back of your homework. And they want you to find x, correct? Get that a little closer. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to set up this. So what do we have here? We have what sides in reference to angle 28? Opposite, correct? So it's going to be sine of 28 degrees equals the opposite, which is what? X over 19. Okay, so the first thing I need to do is find the value of sine of 28. Okay, we're not using the inverse, guys. You're just going to put sine of 28 in your calculator. And sine of 28 is what? 0.469, correct? 469 equals x over 19. Am I right? So then what would I do to find x? Multiply by 19 on both sides. And I'm going to multiply those two together. And when I multiply those two together, what do I get? 8.92 equals x. It's to the nearest 10. So it's going to be what? 8.9 equals x. So again, that is how you work out number one on the back of your worksheet. Let's go to number two.
Wait, Miss Smith, can you explain what you did again? Because I couldn't see, so I couldn't follow.
Okay, so I set it up just like we know that sine is opposite over hypotenuse. So here's your angle. The sine of 28. And how did I figure out what sine? Because the two sides that I have, the information I have, represent the opposite of 28 and the hypotenuse. So sine of 28, so sine again is opposite over hypotenuse. So again, sine of theta. So sine of 28 equals the opposite over the hypotenuse. So the opposite is x and the hypotenuse is 19. And then I find the value of the sine of 28 because this does have a value. So the sine of 28 is equivalent to approximately 0.469. All right. And then I'm going to solve it by multiplying by 19 on both sides. And then I get x equals 8.92. Rounded to the nearest tenth, it's 8.9. Okay? So let's look at number two. If I can get a better marker for the board, that may help out too. Number two. Definitely can't see that. Yeah, I don't have, they're not working for some reason. Let me try to add that. Okay, can you hit that light for me, please? See if this will work. Okay, so number two. No, it's okay. Turn it back on. It's not working any better. Like a glare is on there or something. Okay. 2. So here we have 2. Here we have it. X, 32, and 41 degrees. In terms of 41, and the angle that has 41, measures 41 degrees, write down in your paper what that is. Is it based on the sides that we have? Does this represent cosine, cosine, or tangent? What are we going to use to find this? Sine, cosine, or tangent? For sine, you're going to hold up 1 finger. Cosine, 2 fingers. Tangent, 3 fingers. Give me your answer. Okay, tangent. That is correct. How did I know it was tangent? First of all, I don't have the what? I don't have the hypotenuse. So if I don't have the hypotenuse, I know I must use tangent. Because tangent is what? Opposite over adjacent. Okay? If we're only choosing from sine, cosine, and tangent. So what is the opposite side to angle 41? X. What is the adjacent side? Huh? 32. So what am I going to do? Find the tangent of 41 degrees. What is the tangent of 41 degrees? 0.869 equals x over 32. Now what am I going to do? Multiply by 32 on both sides. And x is going to equal what? 27.8. Are there questions on this? Again, I'm going to give you a close-up view. There's our question. That's how we knew to use the tangent. Tangent of 41 is x over 32. Then we multiplied, we found what the tangent of 41 was. It was 0.869. We multiplied by 32 on both sides. X equaled 27.8. Great job.